Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to install Raintech POS billing software in your PC. This is VAT Edition software, very simple way you can install it. One exe file you can download it and we can install it. The software will completely set up in your PC. Let me show you how to do this. In this video description itself, you will find it the download link from the Google Drive. There is a download link. You can download this setup file. It is basically a zip file. You can see this file. You can unzip this file, right click and extract it. Unzip, you can unzip it. If you don't have unzip file, you can install this WinRAR, such kind of software. So I just unzip it. There is only one file you will find in this software. You can see this is Clear Touch. This is basically in VAT Edition, as I said you. And I did not introduce you myself, Shibin, and my company name is Raintech Software Limited. We are from India. And here you click on more info, run anyway. And it's automatically the software program, it will analyze your computer and which are the supporting documents is not there in your PC. Automatically this software will detect and it will install in your PC. Just click on next install always. Here you can see in this this portion. So here you will find there is the links is going on. The installation process is ongoing. This file size near about 300 MB. I will show you exactly how much it is. Here you can see 267 MB. It's the installation is under process. There is a pop-up messages came over here. Just click on yes. The process is ongoing. So you can see over here the process is the installation process is going on. And here you click on finish. Of course, you will find a desktop icon in this software. Here you will find there is a Clear Touch desktop icon. You will find like that in your software, in your computer. Just click on yes button and you will see a window. See, this is booting. The entire software is booting. So, in the first stage, you can go to the demo position, so that you will understand the features, everything in this software. You will find two options here. One is blank database. There is nothing is there. It is empty. But in the empty database, it's very hard to understand the things. So to learn the software, to experience the software, you can go to the demo DB. Click on create demo DB. Okay and okay. And again you click on this same button, desktop button, just open it. It's booting again. Demo DB means already the data, the products, the sales, purchase, everything will be there. It will be loaded so that you can understand it very easily. Here you click on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make a default password over there. In the software, you can change the password, of course. Here you click on, there is two options are there, POS and back office. Back office is the admin control, your printer connectivity, sales report, GST report, VAT reports, and your sales reports, everything, accounting reports, everything is there. Even user control facility, privilege card control facility, everything is there in the back office here. And this is the sales panel basically. You click on the POS. You will see the beautiful interface. This is the main menus. Click on the menus. You will see the products belongs to that particular menu. For example, body care, you will see this body care items. You will cosmetics you will find. Dresses, you will find it over here. See, all these items you will find it over here like that. See, a lot of products is fully loaded. And if you add the products like that, you will see the products is coming over here. And of course, we have a printer. Thermal printer. I will show you how to connect the thermal printer immediately within 2 minutes, so that you can start do printout also. For connecting the printer, you can connect the printer from the back office only. You can click over here. I will show you here logout. Click on the logout button and then click on OK. Again click on 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to back office. In the back office, you will find one thing that called settings. In the settings menu, you will find there is a terminal settings. Go to the terminal settings, you will find this is a printer which is there. Just delete that particular printer. Select from here and delete it. I just click on select from here, click on there and delete it like that. So your hardware will display over here, your computer name will display over here, and which is your installed printer in your PC. Just select it. For example, this is the Epson T82 printer is already the driver is installed in my PC. So I select like that. If you have a cache drawer and all, you can click on yes. If you want to show images, product images, of course you can click on that one also. Just click on save button over here. That's it. Successfully the printer is added. Now we will go to the main menu again. Here you will find the logout button. Click on the logout and click on OK. And again we will go to the sales panel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on POS. And now the printer is successfully be connected from the backend. Now let's see this added product, how we can do the billing. So click on the pay button over here, or in the keyboard you can click F2 in the keyboard directly. There is one window, it will appear over here. You can click on F1 cash directly and click on yes. See, the printout came over here. It's a beautiful way. Such a simple way you can connect your printer from the back office, and you can integrate with this software. And this format, the bill format, everything we can customize as per your requirement. If you have in your country, in your place, any special format or special needs is there, of course we can implement in this printed copies. And for adding the products and adding the control, the software, everything, I will make another video. This is just an installation video for the Raintech Clear Touch VAT Edition billing software. For any clarification or any doubts in this software, or if you don't know how to install the software in your PC, or if you want to know about more about hardware specifications or something like that, you can WhatsApp us or you can call us. Our number is 00918078311945. WhatsApp us or call us in this number. We are basically from India, and we can help you in all these regards. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.